Hi all, this is Chandrahas from Quality Thought IT Training Institute, Hyderabad. So, here we have Anil, our student from React.js. Hi Anil, how are you?
Hi, sir. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Okay, then let's start. Anil, just let me know about yourself a bit.
Yes, sir. Myself, Anil. I came from Hyderabad and I have graduated, MBA graduate with aggregate of 100% from JNU Hyderabad. And coming to my family includes 5 members, including me. My father is a retired government employee of Telangana State, and my mother is a homemaker. And coming to my hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies, and more about me myself, I enjoy my free time with friends. Uh, on evening session, like going with friends, hanging out, like playing cricket or something else.
Okay, very good. So, we'll get to the questions now. So, Anil, tell me what is the difference between var, let, and const keywords?
Yes. Basically, this var, let, constant are used to declare variables in JavaScript. And coming to var is a function scope variable. When we declare a variable with var given a function, it can be accessed only within the function. And the variable declared with var can be redeclared and updated. And coming to let is used to declare variables in blocks. It is a block scope. Variable declared in the block scope can be used only within the block, and variable declared with let are updated but cannot be redeclared. And variable coming to const, variable declared with const block scope, variable declared with const cannot be redeclared or updated.
Okay, very good. So, tell me about DOM selectors, Anil.
Yes, sir. DOM selectors are used to get the elements based on their IDs or names or tag names. Coming to DOM selectors are selectors like get elements by ID or get elements by class name or get elements by tag name and Parisector and Parisector all.
Okay, very good, very good. So, explain me about the function hoisting.
Function hoisting. Function hoisting is a JavaScript behavior where the function and variable declarations are moved to the top of the respective scopes while the compression phase.
Okay, very good. What are higher order functions and callback functions?
Callback function is a function which is called as an argument to another function, and higher order function is a function which receives a function as an argument. And or as a higher order function can be like a higher order function is a function which results a function which gives a function as a result.
Okay. So, may I know about array destructuring?
Yes. Array destructuring is getting a set of elements from an individual array and assigning them extracting a set of elements from an array and arranging them to an individual variables in a single statement.
Okay. Okay. So, can I know about the find and filter methods?
Yes, sir. Both are array methods. Coming to find method, find is an array method which is used to get an element which satisfies the given conditions.
Okay.
And filter is an array method which gets a set of an array of elements which satisfy the conditions.
Okay. Okay. So, what is Redux and why do we use Redux now?
So, Redux is a state management library which commonly used in Redux to manage the state of the application in a predictable and centralized way, and it also allows us to helps to manage the state of the application in a single global scope, making it easier to read, understand, and maintain, and debug also.
Very good, very good. So, tell me about React hooks.
Coming to React hooks and React hooks are use state, use effect, use register, use memo. And coming to use state is used to update the state in a functional component, and the use effect is used to handle the side effects in functional component, like left side method complete report and complete update. And coming to use reducer is used to store a mutable value which doesn't get redundant when updated. So, and use memo is used to avoid the unnecessary calculations computations when redundant. And use of is used use is also like same like a use state. It is used when to handle the complex state logic situations, like when the previous state value depends upon when the next state value is dependent on the previous state values.
Okay. Tell me about MVC architecture.
MVC. MVC is a well-known based architecture and which divides an application into three major components: sir. Model, views, and controller. Model represents the data and business logic, and views represents the presentation layer, and controller will be the intermediary between the model and the view.
Very good. So, do you know about props in React?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please tell me.
Props in React are used to pass the data from the parent component to child component, and these are immutable, meaning that the data in the data cannot be modified by the child component, sir.
Okay, Anil. So I can say that you are good with your subject and all, but stammering. But while you're speaking, don't stop while speaking. Speak in a flow, okay?
Okay.
Don't stammer so much. So if you improve this, you are good.
Thanks.
So that's all. That's all I can say.
Thank you, sir.
Fine.